Hi, this is your 43 OnePlus Pad and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first we should open the Gmail application. Okay. After that, just tap here on this icon and click to manage accounts on this device. So we should first log out from Google account on our device and just to automatically to log out from Gmail app. So open the account, tap on the right upper corner to these three dots and click to remove account, confirm your action, and now we could see that in Google account settings we just successfully logged out from Google account, sorry. So let's go back to the Gmail app, and in app we could see that we just also successfully logged out from Gmail application. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.